lands and possessions, and in every other way that they can, until amends shall have been made according to their judgment. Got that? All right. That's a long reading there, and I still didn't get through the whole paragraph. But what they're saying is, if you got a problem with the king, in other words, the government, you can go to 4 of the members of the grand jury. Any 4. Those 4 evaluate it, and in their judgment, they go to the king, if they so decide, and tell the king, hey, we got a problem here, it needs fixing. And the king has 40 days to fix it. Or if the king isn't in town, then he can go to the judges. You got 40 days to fix the problem, a month and 10 days, okay? And if he doesn't fix it in that time, those 4 can go to the whole body of grand jury. Now, there's got to be 25. You see why there's not 25 in our present-day grand juries? Because we're still common law, and 25 is a real grand jury. Okay, the 4 go to those 25. Those 25 are authorized to do anything they deem proper until the problem gets fixed. And later on it says they can do anything except they cannot put the king in jail and they cannot put his family in jail. But they can take all his property away from him. And not only that, later on it says in there that the king pre-authorizes anyone to assist the grand jury if the grand jury wants it, that assistance, okay? Now, that's common law. Now, the grand juries we have today, sure, they're called grand juries, but those are statutory grand juries. So I remember in Orange County one year, the grand jury criticized the data processing department, the computer department of Orange County. And I remember the supervisor of the county saying, well, that's the grand jury's opinion, you know, but they really don't know what's going on and how this is supposed to work. I don't think he could have said that to a real grand jury. Now, I'll tell you an interesting provision in California statutes. You're going to love this one. Any grand jury can remove any elected officer from office. It just takes the 25 or 21. Even the statutory grand jury can do it. But you see, how did this grand jury come about? Now, somebody commented a little while